start again. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Cool Corner. Have you been wondering how you can make mayonnaise at home? Have you been wondering how you can get the ingredients? So guys, if you want to know how and where you can get the ingredients to do mayonnaise at home, keep watching this video so that I will quickly introduce you to the ingredients, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to do this mayonnaise at home. So guys, in today's video you are going to see how we do mayonnaise at home. It's going to be less expensive and it's even going to taste better than the ones you buy from the stores, because you are going to add in the flavors of your choice, and at the same time it is 100% organic. So guys, keep watching and let me show you how to do mayonnaise at home. mayonnaise at home. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So please do try this at home and let me know how it turns out. So I'll be appreciating you guys if you do that. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.